Okay, so here's another video of inscribed angles and central angles. As you see in this circle in this diagram, right, that there's only central angles available here. A central angle is an angle, right? Here's an angle WTX. WTX hits that center point, right? So that's called a central angle. If the vertex of an angle hits the center, it is called the central angle, right? Same thing with VTW. It's a central angle because it hits T. And UTV is center, has a T, right? And that is going to be a vertex, so that means UTV is called a central angle also. But in this case right here, you see that what is UX? UX is a diameter. So that means that, well, they're trying to find out what x equals here and x equals here. And we all know all of these arcs. The arc WX is 78, VW is x, and VU is 4x plus 2. So now we have to just find out, well, the arc of a semicircle is 180 degrees plus another 180 degrees equals 360. So that's what 360 is, a circle, right? So we're just going to do half of it. So my equation, which you probably know already, is going to just be 4x plus 2 plus x plus 78 equals 180. So that is going to be your degrees. That's your equation of this circle right here. Okay? So now, well, we're just going to find what x is. Well, let's combine like terms here. So 4x plus x is going to be 5x. Right? So you got 5x there. 2 plus 78 is going to be 80. And 8 equals 180. You balance the equation by subtracting 80 from both sides. And you got 5x equals 100. And you divide it by 5, divided by 5, and now x equals 20. So now your x equals 20. Now, did they want you to do anything else with this? No, they just want you to find what x equals 20. But if you want to know what's going on here, you just plug it in or substitute this in, right, into the x and into this x. Now, that's going to be 20 degrees here. If that's 20 degrees, the arc, that means this angle is 20 degrees also. If that's 78, that means that's going to be 78. And this is going to be 20 times 4, which is 80 plus 2 is going to be 82. And that's going to be 82 right here. And that's going to be 82 degrees over here. And that's how you get your central angles. Okay? Very simple. Now, let me go a little bit slower. Go over it again. Find a value. So we just find the value of x. We did 4x plus 2, x, and 78. We put them all together and it equals 180 because, well, this is a diameter. A diameter of a circle goes halfway through the circle. Well, we all know 360 degrees is a circle. So halfway is half of 360 is 180. So that's how I get 180 over here. Now 5x, we put 4x plus x. This is, if you want it, that's a 1, right? So 1 plus 4 is going to be 5x. 2 plus 78 is going to be 80 equals 180. Now you subtract 80 from both sides and just balance your equation. This is a two-step equation. So now you get 5x equals 100, and there's a multiplication. Opposite of 5 times x is dividing. So you can divide by 5, and now you get x equals 20. Now if they want to know what is the arc of VW is 20 when you just plug it back in, or what is the arc of UV is going to be 82 when you just plug it back in. But in this case, they just want you to find what x equals.